kwa ba na me na se wo hwa Adom TV Badwam so kase nsem wa to yembo ase aboabo no meet aduenu edi anim me de somo se yen kase bo na nsem no de obetie bi ene se evutu akwa ma Christopher se wonhwe na afi won tekuni onsempo won famoa na National Cathedral ya mpanimfo si no wontumi enwie ne ntem sanso ena boadwa hene so ede yefutu ama ya batan ne manfo se wonhwe na homasua ne ahonidie ho nsem woma no ensi wonom eni so na Dr. Kwaku free ye chemu a omanfo se wonom empe eye MPP na option no na SNDC no eno de enkoye kra ne nsem no so woka eno no we ne nsem wahodo bi na mde so mo se Badwam so kase wuhia me ayafre me anno chewa ba ajwa se wa fe nsem ni nchiemu no gigidam we na memfanto so ema kwancherefo panyine ya wono ena bohwe National Cathedral no ye wo mabedwako no eso Dr. Paul Opoku Mensa de adehwede ye moden ato ye Christopher ko ye wo my Ghana mo emfa ho ne asorekro se mo ye Christopher nko ade wo chemu a motaku ni mo sempoa ya se de Ghana mampanyine ahye bo se wo sia so dan kase ahye rade ni monyamo no so ye Christo de wo se wo de beka ho bi se be ya obetumi asie wo chemu mampanyine na wo se wo ye de nanso omani ye de ne Christopher nyina ye de nti ene ekosa nti wo mwa bia na de abo na ne sie no etumi ayewa no wano.
Mr. President, for the record, I want to state categorically that we've accounted for all the monies from the state to the National Cathedral project. And this accounting has been submitted to Parliament. For purposes of clarity, I want to report a verbatim memo I sent on this issue dated 19th January 2022 and addressed to the Clerk of Parliament. The indication was that the government had given us 339 and we could account for 225, leaving 114 million missing.
And wechi ena Ghana mampanyina na Dankwa Kufuado editu dwase abedwafo a womo ena ehwe National Cathedral project iso woko wanimpa ewo ne hyehyeye emu na sebeye no manfo ebehunu se mampanyini naniku ade a woye no hunti wode Ghana cedi empem oha 100,000 Ghana cedis ema secretariat no se wonfa moa na edan ya wosi wontimi emfa enkukuru ensiwo wo hye wo bibie enkuran se Ghana cedi oha bosome die wontu ya emfa moa se beya obetimi esi edan no ewie ntem.
I made a pledge to Almighty God that if He was gracious enough to grant my party, the New Patriotic Party, and I victory in the 2016 election after 2 unsuccessful attempts, I will help build the cathedral to His glory and honor. I'm therefore committed to working with the Board of Trustees to ensure the completion of this project to the glory of God and the edification of our nation and all our people. And I end by making a donation of 100,000 cedis to the project.
Free National Cathedral sense mu na afi yenkwapo ye mantemu denchembo mense no emu na akopiem wo hono mu a manfo ye wono mu abuadua afi na bi ye bia no ya wono edi mawo afahye no na afi ya esi die na no wodie no na opanyine wono ena wote adwam wo hono mu se wo hene ede adehwede ene afutuo kwa ma manfo ne abatan nyina se wo srada se bibi wo hono ma wo se wo mu wani kwa ho aye oba ngumasua afi sa pomode hu nsem bekọ Yesu agisa honidie gina brane ti omanfo wo buadua nyina anfo wani ensi enhumasua ne ahonidie ho nsem so sebi o masetire mu ebetumi akoyi
manfo de bakofo na mu tre bala no se school no aho faso ti efe aho ni sire ye ko su bienu a mesanka no ye aho di se o ba je a o ba ka se sebi aho bi dabi aya se bola obi ba sa lura na de ko so kasi ebe ni na asa na musi mi na je pa na wa na ba betu se wa bo mura no na o so wo shi ana wa shi na ba betu so de wala no ba mata ka na sama na e de wa ko e do ko so a me de ni mu pa se ko tu na tu aso.
Eguswa ejina hemfo bonom ensem no emu nana okogie to amoako agiman ono ena woye asante achim dawre so ehene no de adehwede mu oden ato eye ehemfo ena afei amanyofo mpanimfo se wosrada wonka wontam emum wochemu ase mantem bia na ase kurobia betimi etumpon a just one here wo hono no ene abana musini na afi mrashe bedwafo mo hwɛ sam potem ho no so be ka bomu na mpuntu dwuma esafata na tumi abante koba se ohene na afi abana musini omo twenmanso a na se sam potem ho no no nyade se mpuntu ebetumi abante wodi afutu ama na nanom hemfo ene afi amanyofo se wo srada wanko wo humom na mpuntu emro my gane
se MP for no bahare yentri yeni hwe kuru omu fi se ye wo Ghana moto the two abano just like that ye kwan hwe kwan ya ye yi kwan we ye fa kakra mayen eno ano no ye school dan ma ya bo modra ma JSS aba eba ye mo se mo di kanea ebre kanea no ebepem ne kanea ne mai na campus computer kwa yen afie enkranfo no mo ne so pepe ye di ka no ye 100% ebra ye ni computer kwa de na agenti na se aba ne ntimi a omanfo no so emwaye especially assembly for no edua ne abu abomfia and they say no yes aba no se wo ye aketua bia nsa
enwachi ena abusua panyi na wodawre so owusu frimpon enso ede afutuo ema amabunu no ebi
amse bebre nyetin kan bebre se ye school kwa nkonwa ni nti nsonso enom no so no se nipa do so ha kanene ye no so sa ye hia mo president for year yenu mai but se em se ekofo nipa na do so mo nti on be mai nsu a do boy pa boho no ba bitu bia kan mama ya we be happy ani hia clinic nso bi yara ji sa gugu hospital according to there anka yanso mu oden ti no se ke betimi a unya djuma yo ha na wa yiro ho na o jaboa o man pa se ka betina kum na se fu kura na be ya be yi ho aye
Dr. Kwaku Efriye eye sefi yo so aban ye anamusina na se brashe bedwani ya wo ho ono kure ya no na mpanifo na se Ghana man mpanya pa no se wonye swafo yo behwe eye empotemu afi abodi mu nyansape na abefo ntente afidie kwa so ho nsem wo kyeremu a MPP amonyoko ne ye na famu die na se Ghana fo so abere MPP na se BNDC amonyoko no kofa de na se ase de wasa akapuma na wanwam wo no wo kyeremu a NDC amonyoko no enhyeda enni ekyiremu papa bia ede magana fo ntisa abato brene so na wo pedo besa ye adwuma pa ama my Ghana onkoso anu onto aba no MPP amanyoko
Ghana for wa trouble ya family baby it leads to government price be go anso mi nyan tise na nado aban obi bompa yes ngo Ghana for no yes resentment disappointment say so mum say the NDC alternative is horrible the NDC enuntie my timu so yende they are no alternative they have no plan omo de bia mo criticize e dey be alternate plan pa MPP ba ye wo plan you also akra me wo plan
enwachi osan ka de to aso se atoye tifi mantamu omobo won homoden pa ya wodwumadi awodo bi ede impuntunwuma ebe omanmu senti NPP amanyoko no eye wasade se wotimi ahwe na mpuntu bi a mantam no ehia no wode ema wo mu
into your contribution to the national effort and here easy sir until we must have our development and that is why you're creating a region so we are very proud people we have contributed to Ghana's development and Ghana's economy until we will continue on that trajectory many time there I will lead my people the MPP now what the best plan the best strategy I develop with this country
Yemfri hono na yenko bebiani na enche bia ne beti odwase so ko bebiani line so na afi bebiani old town sade omanfo jeja wo na basa ma school wo kora no na wo twetwe mu ne achechefo de wo mo choko nyina agu ho se be ya omanfo nhwe na wonya asubara na wanyaye a nyaade so obekwa akogina saa jana ne mu akira de sanse omanfo atoto wo mu ani awe classroom hodom na wo mu ja wo na sabe ya sabe husemi ano ebetumi abrase na se tu obetwa enti no na DK crunche yo no kroya na cheso ye sompahene wo sefi anwea so traditional area rotima kaka na nsase jana bia ye mako eye dumienu ne owomuo dan ne wasi na mu jana ne ye mako edumienu ne womuo na se seat no betumi akobie bia no se omanfo nye sabe ya sa wo ha no onammo no ano betumi abrase
edu baabia obi pa na nso ehye ne dam onyimpie ebia san ye nema ye ton ene ya hofama ye wonti no ena bebre ni susu se ebia ye wobi ba ye gidi se ebi mu wobi sen yen de a ye wei ti sa nkofo ati sa nyina no mitu omfo se nyame ensem sila no ene na ma onipa eye odefo ye hyase ne nyese ne ye hyase ye hyase fi baabi na ye fi sa ade a ye de ma no ye de ma ne anu ye ho keke ba ye guso a ye ma no ene nyame nam so a odi ehira yen enti ye ka kire omo ewo bi ni se nyame hwehwe bibi afi omo ho
enwachi omanfo bi a wo bibi ani ya wo mo ne benya saa edan yi ehon faso ene amane boni etwetwe enkomo
ade na na ba be no asombo pa na aso ye ni na ni nyina ne se ka ni se nyame nhira no na onya ne kese na ma adom na aso no so na enso ne so na bi nsa amoro so na nsa ma ya fufuro nka ye ho yanga se waya ade pa because enya ni pa nyina na enya ska no betimi ya yibi aya adoyesa
eni agi na ese ni ne bola so ni toilet the toilet ise ya chapa na nyame aya adoma papa ye hu ye bo na obebi amenti dia seda ema no
Jacobu Patabo ehema etumi aboabo ne ema ne akade ano ya wotumi ede akwakoche biaya enkoda wo ye nyanka wonum egu ewoye anua nkwanta na opanyina wono no kofa Save Our Lives Foster Home ebebo ade mame Paulina opay na wode adeswede eto Ghana for ya nyankopon ato mo nsemu nyina ne se wosrada free ne kwade ba ko mu hia odi nuane ne ntade ne akade ne anomde no to nkyane a kwada no per scholarship sanse bi won mo madwiri mo bie pa na wono ye na fa mu de mo maduane di mo mba bi do ntitro no na afa suku asem no sanko manfo betimi asoni mu e scholarship famu a na mankore yetime sua de adurachira enka beboa pa
enkola ewo ha 34 but ebika ho emom nyina ye 54 ye how pa de ni nyina ni sika so wo hwe ha ya bibia ye bia e sika ne de ye friends ye tu enkola no school fees so de beboa mo matumi awie om tertiary programs no na me nkan tu ye ho bebre ye nurses architect wom managers wom company wa hakra wa employ nipa for ena I mean chese they are in there tutors wom bebre bebia government officers wo ho no omonso yire omonso ye den ebeko enti ehopa na ye ni ehwe se ye betumi epia wo ma omonso abenya omonsa no adwuma na se omobenya baabi aye adwuma
nanu si yepe ena nananchiwa afra wotosom yenu Jacobu Patabohima enso echre de kodia pati ye sheni nkran ya wokokoye wo mu a e wo Save Our Lives Foster Home adoye na ode nsema wudro bi etudwa
afiwe ye se meye ema enkola nyina afibia me kromufo sisi a me no kase ye ko ne akoye party amom nyoma kakra ye nya ya ye de bae enuane nyina de ye de bibae na sika kakra ode beboa te sese ne no kase obi eko school ohia moa no no so e de besoso no ene ye de baane me se kakra bie nsa de ubenye bia ebetimi aboa omu ni bikura enti mesere se obi biara a obenya kakra bie nsa no momfa memboa na emofra omu hia moa emofra emobo
everyone man ayen consent fufuro emu a na eyempra yeso abato mpesua no eyembra shebedwani yo hɔ no Davis opoku ansa obone mrane se OPK wodi ade hwede mu wodi aso Ghana bayanim ne aso ye hwa honede ho nsem so se wosrada wanka bi ma Zoom Lion for se ekromu bete nwan na honede ho nsem bekoye we monti awodo so a Zoom Lion edimu entintimanti adwumayefo no won hwe na afi aban entimi emfa ye sika kakra nka wakati on se bia be hye wo mu nkran na osore anopa wodi anigye be prapra monten so
se aban ebone ho modern se o musika no beba wano se sikane sakra na se de bia na ba onim se obetimi de aye ne planning e de aye ne budgeting ne nuema de tosomio no sikane so ya de a se bi uswa say for a very long time no aban ento mu ti e be sere aban ene Zoom Lion Ghana Company Limited say yesere wo mo enhwe kwan a obetimi increase wo sikane kakra ma wo mo na se bi wo manya bi di ahwe wo mo yire ne wo mo ma ene wo nananom wo fie
enwachi ena sanitation manager ya woko South Mensini no emu Welbeck Dija enso edu wo hawa wo mu ehie sanse wo mu eni adwumayefo dodo e wo adwuma wo ye no emu etudwa
ya wa ha bebre wo mention mo kyerɛ sɛ ohu ya dwumayɛfo mo so a afia so bebre so ya aged ana o manyenye ma adwuma no abre wo ho nti yɛsrɛ MP sɛ obetumi aboa time a on be fan nkrofo adwuma mo a on be ma youth no ebeba na on be sa afa nkrofo dodo kyerɛ sɛ baby wo mention mo a because wo mo so ante adwuma no entumi nkɔ hɔ
ne krakra na zoom line adwumayɛfo bi ene yamane boni twetwe nkomode aseda ma amrahye bedwani
nim said the address one ye hye na afa yensam ahodo bi ya wokɔ eye abefontintan fidi kase no so a ye de agu hɔ no no na yabobɔ so de amaw na mene kwasinsia na ye wo ha sabri se wokɔ eye adomonline.com said ya homachi bi sorry de nsam de gu hɔ no no wokɔ abenya bi na wakenkanti ye hwe local no a ene ye stories na gu ha pa na kwasi mache
adwa mejo so
na mbombo ko de
bokora so e
efisia pa so
afem kometu ye mfie bebre so
nya de wadi hey, where the bronya man ho akire no.
Ampadua me ya adwuma bronya. Obi ampadu.
Ampadu de en kan hwe.
Oh, obi ampadu.
En kan hwe.
Am ye ni bronya bi.
Obi anu agesa.
Oh,
en kan hwe.
Kromfo ahwe manimu asatima pofo ahwe manimu amahye so meba first dem.
Ah, superstar.
Ene se
Oda so gina he.
Obi ampadu adaroma.
Next time ya busa ampadu ansa na abekɔ awako. Why?
Obi ampadu de. Se hye
Oh, nyame adom.
Nyame
adom. Enti ensem ni nie.
Ensem no no. Eh, Daddy Lumba so MTN Ghana mo awo so a.
Ai egum.
Niger Gazi is a joke.
31st one night wo ho.
Yes. Ora data ka obi ma ya.
Necessary
joke kura.
Assemblies of God. Ye sofo na.
Assemblies of God.
Sofo na. Niger Gazi is a joke.
Sofo de be dia ni. Data pacho bi ma na ya joke kura Niger Gazi.
No, but what you say, pardon no di agro do. Agro won ani so.
Na no asum ko ti asem so baby. Say Niger Gazi assemble call can say possible say bebem. The head pastor of Assemblies of God Christian Center in Kumasi, Reverend Oseka Kari Ano, has cautioned the founder of the Prophetic Hill Chapel, Niger Gazi, to stop prophesying. This comes after Niger Gazi released some prophecies about what will hit the world in 2023 at his Watch Night service on 31st December 2022. But some of his prophecies include a change of the Inspector General of Police in the Republic of Yempenokware in 2023.
Yempenokware ne o man be ya.
Yes, o man bi o
friend Yempenokware an hwe ya o mo IGP etc. Ga mampanyini be sesa no anka ga na o si Yempenokware
Republic. A plot to kill a former Arsenal star of Togolese nationality, among others. The overseer also always comes out with prophecies on December 31. Among these is a prophecy about a terror attack in the Republic of Umofia. That was last year. 2022. But according to Reverend Osei Arno, the majority of these prophecies do not materialize. Speaking on Prime Morning with KMJ, the royal host on Monday, the head pastor stated that Prophet Niger Gazi is causing embarrassment to the prophetic ministry with its false prophecies. Quote, it is high time we caution that young man that young man should stop what he's doing because he's actually making a shame and joking with the whole issue of prophecy. He's not doing anything right and shouldn't call himself a national prophet because he's disgracing himself and the prophetic ministry. That guy is a joke. He said, okay, and he said,
na fra say ye Umofia. Afi ye
Yempenokware Republic.
Na Umofia na no an Yempenokware na say Yempenokware ne ye.
The babes ebe countries me no. Ebe countries me. Umofia ne last year country.
And Yempenokware this year country.
This year country. And we so Reverend Oseka Kariso na can say
you foni eda ho no no Christian Center Assemblies of God.
Yeah.
E wo Kumasi. Okay.
Enti yemko ejeje o say Papa na joke dia.
My friend who say we national prophet. Or my be a prophet.
Omo afanyu
I say ne omo na omo ni ye ni bi.
Omo afanyu omo.
And we there. I say Christians must support construction of National Cathedral. State has done enough. Executive Director.
Yeah.
I say o minor and I say aban no aye bebre.
Yeah.
Nti Christopher a moso nyame no.
Yeah.
Moso bombo mo homoden. Na mo nso mafa mu de monye. Na National Cathedral no entumi emesi ho. Say the mampanyini ehye bo no. ebi no COVID-19 benefo chema ye say man home ni so
yeah
e hu say mask wearing no asa start man for the don we fra so mo hye mask
and China weather no so kraka hu because weather we na ewu adu no odin
bebre hwene mu sone nsuo
weather no
on say penidru say ya na no China for say wo mo ayi so no a edadwade hu nsem so
on the 8th December
mo beyi ma ye won hye
what China enya de keto
obi ani age na wa hyede mo a afedi ye ja wo kakra
China so na mesne so e kosro kakra
na e kosro
na guta for ka say ye bie ya e ma adwadefo akọ
yi
ye mfa nhye ngu akwam se na be ya ye kọ na ye kọ no ye sa akọtwe yade ne sa mfa ma ye media adwase kaminya ya eni kwa so bia ne ma no kwa ma ne ko China
na ne kra no ye se wiase dane
yeah
yetimi tena ha metimi atena ha
yeah
asoma me afantare free take abre me mama hye se me mpesa ebia on say ye hye Ghana we all right
sure.
but once in a while broni de na hye mi
obehye
mete ha
yeah.
na mato nkra wo take nya ye free ho no mabre me meto nkra wo US nya ye free ho no mabre me enti ka hu nkra nhia se de yade na ye ne ye be kwa ansa na ye ne ma ye hia no
Ghana ni dwade ni be ka to se nipa ni se kro krochi amansa so hu mani mu obete so ama me timi ya me ko mu a ne bua be ba fom
ne se
su yare no e de aba ti de ke yempe nipa kakra bi na de nipa na apese okra ne ma de free wonum no ene no negotiate na agitum se atari a ehye anochi wa bai me to free China meto no $100 eti nipa na wo ko akofa ne man de abro se $100 na nipa na agree okwa no akofa e de abro ni abeche de mo bi yense pia so obia anko na
be wiase mbako ba ko be ba
no yes ya hwe be yasem ko kakra kura ba ye kura no ebedi yenya kakra ya ebetun ye kwantimfin ebedi yenyene sasa kope ye kotwe ni asa kan so debate ya
besi na business is being to me MPJ nyina wona so bi adwumayfo bi mu da so tifi covid yenti and said ye de covid share 2020 2021 2022 ase no ye mpese 2023 yade ye tise be sa ba mamu ti ye Ghana Health Service for said ye guta for eje mo adwenkyere ne mo hyehyeye no mamo na mamo to wa no wa na nkyerɛkyerɛ bra no na se updating so mampanyi be se frase no de update no amaye ne ahwɛ hyehyeye o maye so a enka ye ni ebeje wei Mr. Dache me enhwɛ
Ghana boxing champion na
poultry farmer Dache Mr. me enhwɛ we san se hu hia we de aka ne news ne mokora Ghana mampanyi na donate 100,000 amaye National Cathedral nti we yenhwɛ boxer kro na afi ye ni hu enkomo
okay but yankosoro kakra
Francis Ampofo
okay
Francis Ampofo.
The road to the ring is really a straightforward one for boxers, while the path that leads away can often be perilous. Francis Ampofo is a man who fought his way from the streets of London, where he moved as a child from Ghana, to the top of British boxing in the 1990s, yet the canvas was not to be his only source of glory. After stepping out of the ring, he took on the world of business in 2003 with the purchase of a 26-acre farm in Norfolk with 10,000 chickens, and not to his own early life running free in Kumasi. Okay. Ozzy quote, I always loved chickens, Ampa, Ufri UK. From back in Ghana, Ampa 55 told BBC Sport Africa, as soon as I came here to the farm, I knew this is it. Boxing is over. I want to get into chickens now. Twice holding both the British and Commonwealth flyweight titles, Ampa also challenged for the world title on 4 occasions. The first coming when losing to South Africa, Baby Jake Matala for the WBO title at London's York Hall in 1994. In a 12-year career, Ampof won 17 of 28 professional bouts, but after retiring in 2002, he returned to something far closer to his heart. I was born in Ashtown, Kumasi, which is right in Ashanti region. He explained, I didn't really know my mom that well because she came here to England when I was 3. She came to work in the National Health Service, and then I was looked after by my grandmother for another 3 years. And that's where reality started working. I was selling mangoes, oranges, so she would peel them all, put them in a bowl that I would carry on my head and go around selling them, then go back for more.
Let's say, Abrabon enough for more. Baby, I will free. Ashton while mammy won no.
Yes.
When young female and some mammy Jan who 2 coin. Yes. One and another tear into a tom mango, and anka, to na ne siesie hohoro ho ano de akọ achi maba ena nyame ya adom no otimi kopie mu abrochima mu akoye boxing adwuma no a 12 years mu nie wo so no wo pa akokọ ori akokọ ma akokọ su omo re modompe mu omo dompe no kro re sa mene fo ni bia eti sabi obetima wo re akokọ no se de opena na koma so di kuayo nti no wo de boxing ni nyina ko
kuye no obewi ni nyina
obeje ebi mi ato nya botere owie ne se nkokọ ye mu eno wo we che se kuayo no is not a case they be meje bia me ka se some mentality ni free schools mu right from SHS ofumpe ni e cha drama enti abema na abaya bi enyi na onim se kuayo punishment and na onsem be de ne kwa de machines bebre aba escafo bebre mo dada mo e no musika dofo ma wo mo ukodo mi dwom malata dwom ni adi nto se mekwa begu aye ka kire o se asomase afum e na ekofa free ya wunyini tintrase nya ho mama badada ba se wo de wonsa nhia se kan wudo enyeye bebi akwa bedu bia so wosika bum bia tim de sekuayo na John Dumelo yes tenu be ma Dumelo
ene John Dumelo
wasa ase ne wodua mmire ase wodi agro oye enwa ase wodi agro bia je ne
akadro
bayira na nsan wotuye bayire
asa agudie
so kuayo no
only say kuayo no enye fo adwuma
no it's not meant for the faint hearted
me ya na meka ya na manfo adwum so yes o ene koye kuayo na form
so wo do didi a enye problem
different
say
so koye kuayo expensive
no omo abe water so ama akura say na form
my joy online akufo donate 100,000 for continuation of National Cathedral and
yeah was had this ka ho so mo fa nwie National Cathedral na me na mo 100 Ghana a month no how far
me metwa baako
na 1 month per wetua
me metwa biem
metwa 4 no
say president the second time wetua bi ni
so no need any modu
and second time wetua bi ni who say how many times I metwa
the only president go competition so we 100 so we 100,000 okay
send to a president no
okay
onjia life onjia water onjia rent
you
onjia school fees
on top petrol
okay odadem kwa
okay costume so kora
costume so
free onso to ni nyina
bibia ye free on kwa de kra no to the extent kra se nipa kro be sa akoto na ma we nyina asade ama nkra sa kra twa neka they say cost require 100,000
okay
best protection against COVID-19 is vaccination. Ghana Health Service Director General. Yes, and
they necessary. Very necessary.
Was mawa wo booster
no nkofo twetwe omo.
Yes. It is because especially say obi a wa Johnson & Johnson no say owo Sputnik. Any others now be wo tutu na sana be wo booster. Ya na adding to be honest. Omo tutu ne de adwa men kan.
Me wo 2.
Adding. She so wo ba ku nwe na sapa te say
tipaye
ade be tia ho asa akwa ko obi mu a adding. Timi dem you fortunate and me nya Johnson.
And they say no one shot.
Na me war yen. Ti me booster na me call war Sputnik.
But the funny thing they say me war Sputnik no.
Okay.
First dose no and I bore me.
Yeah.
And me DCT pa ye bi ni mani so ne then me want be 10. A free bear 1 whole corner till the next morning.
Okay.
Ahwohie asere wako wey impane na ahwohie gina me so sa ma de chenye. But me war second one no I didn't feel anything.
Oh okay.
Me Philip ma nyare ma nyehye. To our first one as akwanya ba hospital bi e ben obi ano say omo ye ne bi akwa omo se aduro no tia no ana asai ti etimeje o contact omo jije contact abo wa ano e bi amudu 10 na afre mo abadako na etia no ana ya wo mu nyina apreko na moko nti me show hospital ana clinic bi e ben obi anto ana mo me ne obi enu bambo nti na ama abase ka sika mpanifo de akofa se nro ya ba e me ma ne nsai yesre mo ada obi anwo no omo ne ho ban na yade no se be say unity mpo which enye no ne yepe enye den se na ano de no eno ne yehwe ni muti say the director general aka na Patrick Kuma Boaji aka na se o de na me de
fuel price drop by 8%. Yes Nyadura is a sale 1411 Ghana cedis super 11 Ghana cedis na this is near 14
it depend ayikro
oh it say
Zen 1170 1160 go 1240 1240
ebi mu so e de aba form akra ya enti dudu na e se de aba form na ye hwe me say betimi I single digit because still baby e wo no from 23 Ghana cedis diesel to 14 Ghana cedis
say fu ono kra kokodu 18 point something e bit ma ka so mate so be 6 cedis per letter enti eni da so
yes e bit me as a single digit no yam say we dey account wasem nada new year revelers trooping for Love FM family party in the park na kama Facebook. University of Ghana justifies current academic facility user fees. A patch of still and
omo agree by the 15% increment.
45, 50%.
No justification. No justification.
Obi ama prepare me school fees 2,300 Ghana cedis. A breast so say adwa. Ebe kwa kotwe say 3,200.
So kwaji loan 1,000 ka. Enough for more.
Enough from Tibet's Romwada. A perforce 15%. Yenny 15%. I want to now bus school. The same I want to now buy your school. Our phone. Yes, Remo. Near him see a prepare 2,300 Ghana city to the Ababitria. Ya calculation in our fee. 3,000 3,200 is Remwada. Anodding.
It's a top up credit. Be 4,000 plus.
Anodding.
Almost 5,000.
When you be for my when you be for my Kotoka International Airport revises COVID-19 guideline following concerns of spike in China. Okay, and it's bad.
Necessary because kwa kia hwane yebefa.
Sure.
Yeba kia hwane yebefa.
So wana yare ni nyina free buy.
Wana yare ni nyina free buy. Na omo ana ye testing ye ho asem buy.
Frontiers for.
Ambasa ko ho ana.
Eh dey ambasa ko.
Omo ho ana omo free ho.
So oh dey ambasa ko.
Ambasa ko.
Na dey.
Nti omo say bejeje dollars no.
Sa no bejeje adwa. Say we ase dey.
Obi dwan ya wo no obi nkwan so.
Ana me ka chiro bi. As a to the beer the NTM ma ye mu bi etie prophecies no. Adwa bua so businessman be no the prophecies they agro. Whether coming from a pastor, whether coming from a fetish, whether coming from a Buddhist.
Wonam kwa na se bi usia bodani no ka chiro se maame na adwuma ma ukohwe ho ye no wa no mo bi nsuo.
You see I'm telling you say omo ye business inclined pa no mo take advantage of COVID-19 we no. It is not because omo to one beto omo kwantin feel. They heard about it some years back. And omo boabo omo no mo dey see before that be ready no. Because say kwame the first we nya nose mask.
And the face show the money. Say
omo prepare that wo I don't know blank card na da one ya prepare in the year 2023. Say in the besie. For example, we be to say technology. And kofobi dwe some years back.
Oh.
As a time will come where technology be take over if we say. Eti dia no mo so ye dia mo mo. And no sha say to mo ne men to mo to mo ne ma yie no. Adwo no mo di so de o.
Na her time asem card buy na 2400 Ghana. MTN chip na 24 million yi. Ni enim say asa ni enim say WhatsApp phone bi beba.
Yes.
E beto data.
Yes.
Na for mo ye data ho plan. Te say what we ase na what do we got to use data.
Say one when ni anko de ma bi so ehunu because afuwe prophecies be brabem. Prophets ni bi akire the kind of businesses are a bit thriving. And fair ni agro. Invest in it. Invest in it. Tie business environment no. Among for your business air thriving say and I do make catch the lady be buan say obey akọ ni school and not say opposite law and to be honest if you the last time friend catch and say law and yes be here for course
the na ha LLB be the crown vote almost 30,000
for any lawyer say what Ghana mu about 60-70% of our businesses. About 60-70% of our personal business. Yeah, running the more. And your law no per se, and the more musica. What is a mea, a bit nip trosso. Baby, be a bit me, one said to me, a quano and tent to watch the wood scrap so your law, what me a quack.
Necessary.
Yet challenge can see a do a young yannick or man must say, say. And yes, you man woe. But we have a lot of art students who you ma anyhow. Baby, we are saying baby do no a science of one edimu de. Or more technology. Technology for ne edimu de. It is all about no school or so now but co teacher for the chain dear na echo so at this time. The next best 5-10 years, if we are saying say moving from technology, so start preparing woman to that level. At the one the ukos could be more students na also because you feel say NF4 the first NF1 test na about whatever adwuma. Etina ma Ghana yesu bebre say nyuma ni wono. I'm telling you abide nyuma bebre beba, but because say as students no adults na be we are connected aban ko fa adwuma ba aban fa adwuma ma say be enfan for so bebre embre your bayo
technology.
How well are we preparing ourselves as a nation for the technological age na wo no? Say ye ku ye nim ye so betimi prepare on say ye won krofo ya prepare on say technology no emu baako yesu atumienu emu baako yesu atumienu emu baako yesu atumienu kakra se ne dia kwakodo ne kogina say oh my social science my me nka say ne o ye na nye but me say baby a we say kon ye move from social science ne ade no it prepare oba no for that ese me ba we in the next 10 years technology no age na mu for the next 10 years ya maybe a dimfie say say betimi apepena na mana meti up say be your tell me kwa no ma school e ba na to
liability very necessary ebusia ye gina so na afi said ye de yensem ahodu egu my joy online na afi Adom online no ye de nyina AC wonim say go kan sie mu nsem be to aso wi a na we so ohunu say fisem be bansa na pensem mu abaka say wo hia me abefrɛ me anoche wa ba address wa me ne kwasinsia he ne de brewo enti ye dan ye ho aba ye ba de aka tire no ene do so nko ba bia
Junjumedi said ya can see Empire Sakan no pensu jaw. Medin the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back coupe, the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and Messin Kunya Econo Quantum Coordinates Maudu and Sakan no penso, or can a good year 8 me a jaw. One expert, home and a teacher have always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet the intestinal watches who train before train Kumabia, within the Kumasad Manum. Catch up with your phone 4 year old mouth fast for none and who could not for as one expert and no and mamma for your financial freedom and another brunye. Umudin ye, New Year's so your son to also a bomb and never at your quid amount. They won't bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sikaira and your yano and only declare bet. Yes, I bet you are. When you bet me a call, I do not bet me as a shoe, 3 betting a boom. Only mood feeling with train for whom you, Nemum, a busia de Japanese says cow quaja as a civil baby and your betting a cotton, Faketo Quajacasia. Na udnina kutra one expert eno ane betia boa emaniama etia kuye ediamao Jeffas Mr. Director Shi enso ebo adwuma pa say infections related to gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo a edoe prapra harawa no mobo ho ema otimi di nchine che ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops demo on sabetimi aka Jeffas na boa emaniama etia tutuye ediamao na fi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for pampas be pimo na senedoi ya die pain etu ase eyi akiri ebo ma opobodon nsem ejene pintin radim ko heye ashama na market ana fitema so on sabetia ka sedimo gel and roll on obetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on from penfo yenhwehwe nkomo ehwemu a ema niam entibidi to yimfama wemu ana ayeta chiri abom sikadwetire ma na no penso yede nkomo no 18 asabrel EPL yenhyase emfa matches Saudi twinsa pm no na twede so Bedford H Liverpool etwana 3-1 ana edi Kensington Times so yotim sampa Liverpool for edda dwene ho a omantiase but bonya koma hwesena hyanisi koye no but nyamya atuma English Premier League matches no 8 fiansa to aso bion uninterrupted channel so say Arsenal and Newcastle United be share kana for Everton Eton Sunday for Brighton and Hooves Albion na omeshia kan Leicester City ni Fulham ana edebe boss na for Manchester United and Bournemouth and so edia boss nti we and matches awodwa and also 8 fiansa to fam na yentim to mu so FIFA for akachidia Gianni Infantino one and FIFA president na sentem World Pele and as a Brazil Pele kan chini guye at the age of 82 years no Oden komo kakra tiansa bejansa wiase afena na nkebenya padia nkobia obesi stadium fofo now the Brazil Pele the din etiansa to sa stadium no nyensa so na wo stadium dada bi wo ho so na hwese na mesiti na ntimi si fofra na no so wo the Brazil Pele din atima famfam ho se be a na nkoma bia nkyirima betiansa ba no se din fense World Pele no entimi enyira e wo san hye so nkano na nipa biri na bisa organ ha se Accra Sports Stadium krampo hwese na mesi koso de ohini janto so antentam Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium no so kwa ye husu yi Kaneshi Sports Complex ya Azuma Nelson din goto so no kwantentam na Brazil player aso ne Ghana ni tweka bia no ani Embassy Stadium fofo na emfa ne din to so na yentie ne Gianni Infantino FIFA president wodi eja FIFA president Nathan and Council in Como 8 and Satujano, Matete, Sagana for Bishan, Second Bias, Nayino, Ombeko, you be trying to map Pilla in Santa Mani, friend Pilla in Yamia Toma, Pemno, Mesha Santa Mani be Ediaba, na a month for Sen and Yama is your question, say Pilla, you know, Yankasa Mijinemu. Ghana Premier League Week 10 matches now about Cookans in Semenra and paying for me this outstanding first statement in time. So, Sabrino, na a house of folk, Accra Sports Stadium, Western University. Yedi Brunya no concert ko so hintina feni esisi wenti omuntimi ensia kan ho emani omkopi mo Cape Coast Sports Stadium wo AGB United Ghana's Dangote agama ni team no na 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na has 1 Beche United 2 na se has Glasgow match it ebeji team no first time nia wodi ntwo e wona go maso atimi samanfo e de hye se has players makuma ko besenum ana wo the Black Galaxies camp ni na affect team aniti na nei aseniama akonyo na sen e de amom even so ejide pass scoreline the true reflection of players are omugina musi akensi no west na Chelsea koya na se Beche United for edge omu 2 e wa akensi etime sa to dwem na no so boni akoma hwese na akensi ne koye e wa akensi e no etime to dwa week 10 but Slavko Matic has a full coach na on the ball home after the game also impressed with games na boys na eda the dino but they were disappointed with the scoreline.
First defeat as Hasselhoff coach, how does it feel?
Okay, nobody like to lose, but we give to opponent everything today. First 50 minutes, they score 2 goals. We know they have good transition, but we make tactical mistakes. When it's open ball, when you don't have good defense transition, you must go back. We try to take the ball, we give them space. Also, they have one more chance, and they shoot everything we give them today. And after it's very difficult with young players. Also, they start to be nervous, today we lose 3 points, very cheap.
Did they play to your instructions? Were you satisfied with how they responded to your tactics?
Absolutely, because you saw after that we continue to play. It's not easy, but we create 5-6 opportunity first half. Second half, we should again change some system. 4-3-3 on the end without fullbacks. 3-4-3 or 3-3-4.
I wanted to come back to that. What was the rationale behind that tactical switch? Play with a 3-back, a 4-mid, and a 3 up front.
No, okay, that give us more control. You see, we create not opportunity like we make a pressure, more pressure on defending line. But when you're losing in first 50 minutes, it's very difficult. You leave a lot of space, more for opponent, and we know that it will be for us difficult but we make, I say, very cheap mistakes. On the end, we have post. If Caleb scored that goal, probably can finish game 2-2, and last red card. It was too much from our side, too much. We give everything to opponent today.
You have a next game here on Saturday against Tamale City. How do you intend to respond after this defeat?
No problem. We will first to see about injury that we have, because some players complain. We will see we had red card. We'll make analysis. First now, we must think, we like to say, morning is much smarter than evening now. Calm down, focus, we must learn from it.
Slavko Matic has a full for Brunifita and Otene Cancelled and Como Ajan, but Yakumu and Kasim Okansi Mingle on a head coach Edma Beche United, only Kuabenpon, Ukuanini, Ukua Kese and Ra, now resting in Mexico, Nija Tobich in Falkmuno, a Chambunia, Wawunta.
Thank you. You are the first coach to beat Slavko Matic. What made your side a better side?
You could see. In terms of any department, we outplay them in all the departments of the game, and we outscore them.
You said you were going to attack.
Yes.
I was in commentary position. I never saw you change the style. It was up until the end of the game.
Yes. That's how we play our game. We continue attacking. It depends on the situation of the game. When opponents start attacking you, you fall behind the ball, defend, and start attacking. That's exactly what we were doing.
It's a major confidence booster, especially after exiting the FA Cup and also drawing against City the last time in Bechem.
Oh, well, we are out of the FA Cup. So definitely our target is to be in the top 4. So when we lose this match, we will descend down. So we've made any possible to win, to climb up, so that we can cut the gap between those up front there.
You go into that game against Kim Pfizer with a lot of confidence, I guess.
Oh, yes. Because beating Accra of folk playing, but we will not be complacent. Kim Pfizer, they are playing good football now. So we are not going to be complacent. We're going to work hard to win at our home ground.
Wish you the best in that game.
Thank you.
Ima.
Yes, boss.
good performance.
Thank you.
You assisted, and your overall contribution to the team was obvious in this victory. How do you feel about this game?
I really feel good. I'm so excited. Playing again as a folk and winning the man of the match, I'm so excited. And
let's go back to the specific. Your build up to the second goal. When you got the ball, how were you able to skip past Otanga and then Zachary to assist Konkoni?
Yeah, the point is it's something I know how to do best. Unfortunately, I was operating from the wings today, and immediately the ball went to the space. I say to myself, this is what I do best, so I have to do what I always do best. So after taking on the ball from him, and it's left with the Atinga guy at the defense, and I don't have any option than to take him on as well. So I did, and I made it a goal for my teammate, Konkoni.
You seem to be enjoying your partnership with Konkoni and then your former teammates at Unistar, Sevas Mante. How is that partnership working?
Yeah, it's really working. It's really working because Sevas Mante is one of my teammates in Unistar, and we've played together for some few matches, so I know his style of play. And Konkoni too, last season we were able to play some few matches together, and this season I think we are playing the matches all together. So I think I really like the combination between the three of us.
How far do you think this team
can? Nese Bechem United Western Mexico Sophia Diam Quantaco na Senyamia Doma weekend so Lukubi between Chiso Koda we place ni kudu Diam Tim Sampanija Aba Bechem no Enyam Kwalaniji Yamia Doma Western Yama Bisia ko but maybe to Sebo Krano a one-man supporter Ura Ibrahim Wache Yaka Ghana Supporters Union Gansua ono anadebai udi kan kofa glow for ebetachiri boama omutumedi omudine etinesa akwanimpa kan kofo so ede supporters eba krum hase ebobo mo anu fesa na esa branti esudi makotene pa na esese kan de were ko sesiri ho a amana fubio no afeso ne masase kan so a ntakrabo ina adwane ampaniampa afeso ya wo de omo end of year party 18 times no wo man supporter ede boshi bi aba na nasmo kan ina ne se na oni bicycle kra na so timito buses too Edema supporters for the very first time in the history of Ghana supporters group. Na se say Bosha Osha say answer na odini dwumedi ebetimi egu okra se penya odi supporters group nanim no agese wato aeroplane dia mom aeroplane so enye Uber aeroplane emu to best 340 seats ebetian sabwa 8 basic competitions ebetian koso with national teams from under Black Stars ekopem under 17 damsels inano ombetimi akwa akwata akiri aboa emaniema etian kwe one man supporter and they say Obeto play. Ibrahim Boache and outside cancer die also you know now to play no pese baso any so no kasada poti Obeto play no ontime enchire okanya kantam de ne maame poster na ebo eye auditorium ho no eye dance ss poster no be wire akisi wato play na sana or why sa poster na despite the fact that one man supporter Ibrahim Boache on a devim about supporters union ewo Ghana me do see another wase na masa chair patients mom say one expert omotechi na fi Jeffers health mixture the Jeffers and etechi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel no so make for the amount na on set me kebia yaudi infant pain no e too free ho the property kwatema and I say ashama me market on sabiti akabi we mu and sponsors etechi the boy men and open so there can see some pine sakan etimi ejao happy new year.
Minister OJ waji edwa we obi a follow no pa meka se me do no free makomam because obonyansa nyom ye wonyom ene wonyom ohwe se de because one koso what say yem wani pa bra what in fact seems say nyum nya hweda bokọ so nyansa wom na aba wom minister machi
yamade
eda se ye bo opunu ma oje yen so
acho you
amen we ye juma efisia panso
afin comment yo anhodin mu na afise se na niam ayeye asene afi etwa mu no ti ya
wonyum ne dɔɔso ye ibeburawura bi mu na emom se de da makoma so paa no ene I will get there bedru
yeah
yes starting free first o de yenhwe what inspired it ansa kwa na ewura scene ni mu scene no baby na wo kona krama ne ba na yo ka se nwane ne ho ne hiam paa
no so ho hiam paa
hiam paa e de ne wo inspiration ema wotimi tina se keka sa anwumi bo mu ane ye hwa ye ni agi
first of all labor room me call way na o amanone so amanone nso de abroche de o yere call wa ugina ho bi o courage no kwanda you have to stand there Ghana de na mema no ma for mo ho adi nti also be me be nya say experience no say when you bo say ni papie fi ni yonku ni pamu ba na ye be ma udi bo be ma wa yere nti bra me ba no ba ye no ena e ma me eyi say me fa ntwa ni umbilical cord ni fruma no ye de be ma na me say bu nti me twa side ni wie no ana me pija akora no course we say ana me start say make cancel afa akora no ho say we ni pakese we ye president bejire we your defo afa na abrofring no mo hwe me ana me say yes words are your spirits
yes
into word bi obeka ato ade bia so bia no nya impact ni effect we ni pa ne so into me na me ka cha me ba ne say wa ba naked ba wo nya empty
me te sa line wo ni mu no
tina me say I was born naked but I was not born empty inti nipa bia ba wiase oba na deja won sha atade but potential gift talent bibia wo wiase bia ni nyina wo mu yes inti yenhwe nipa wa bonten so keke sei embu nipa atan anja age ne se nipa ne empty there be or start say the woni mu no start say dead dia then you know how powerful you are as a human being inti nipa bia na so obeye yi a start from mu inti mfa sure won say unam wiase no unyo obi a uyo obi because what it takes to be you no lies within you inti me be wiase adeja but me nye nipa hunu I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And so bet my bibia yesu kra bet ma shawo den agesa wodi kan shawo ho den first I can do I was say can do ni wo ho I was onya confidence wo mu first so ade we metimi aye na nyame ahoden aba beka ho nti me na me say then let me write a song out of that.
There's a one out try.
Yeah, me na me try. Me na me try. Me nyum bia nyame adom ye wo grace no to write. E bia me tie me share jeans am chia keke but anyum efi me mu ba no eno na man nipa ho ye nwanwa because so he aeroplane kese no he nipa nketenkete a mu air pilot to plane na wo say e nwanwa pa says otia no msisi ye enema nyame di era mu no e serious e bia wo gina ha wo tie me hu say book bia da wanim but whatever you are saying say we improvise you ye de banyo if you utrim say never so it shows enema e wo mu intimedru I made a mention of focus balance faith in Christ life na your journey enti enema betima abo am akodu no those are the enema na me boboso e wo nwum no beginning no ye wi a e baba kraman so
kraman he usana me nkai wo say ye wura afifufuro mu ohom enti new year resolution no ye wura afimu sei no wo hia nsem bi sei na ahyewun krai na mo agina wonan so na wako wanim san say wo gidie say ubedru e bia last year dey ye wantumi anya say dey wo pe nyame nye mistake afi so set new goals eno nti na ye free ase wo bedwam so say ama wo no afi minister yenhwe let me go to a costuming me follow wonyom pa ba ye gina medru ne so a tari ni na mu ahoma ya ne bomu ni sa potomanto no wona na de ja wa na say wonya wo he ko hiam sa potomanto no
ye shoot video ni wo I think you shoot MK you shoot UK Milton Keynes I want you shooting na studio na ye choir no me hu me catch say me here props me here bag a onso kwantunu bia utu kwan a o bag a o de we here potomanto here bag intina represent eniema me li tu kwan no
necessary bag nim na sa we
endurance me focus me balance me bibia no sa ni manum na wo because the most important organs that we nipa duomo kran is hidden okoma is hidden o liver o pancreas o intestines eniema na very sensitive control o nipa duano nyame de asie ye dade akata ho enti eniema be ye betima abo am wetima du ba bia okono say ye eniema ye secret belongs to you and onya ankopon tempe enti ba bia o focus wo no wo no ba bia o focus no wo strength no bibi wo nye bibia na so ni nipa che eniema bi ho a ma intimi and hatching process wo mu ye ansa na babontin so learn how to keep oniema etimi bo am akudu that's the potomanto bit no and a kraman side na nka video ni ho e study say yetwa video na me hu ne ye na nka ma bi enti ade be mu hu bia na ye real in fact na misuru koda me say kraman be come
between break ne dey
between break to know them hey aka na dua bi o ka me ya fu dua no
ahura tare ho
na me cameraman no ka kire me say ma me ntumrika intimity no lesson am pick you money say sometimes so you can defy now your leader know the BB anymore listen to the people around you because omusha omu ade no objectively e bia obe no subjective intina ye ball na football e be hon ma obra coach timi gini film na ne bu afu wo gina park no so but coach no no gina no say ya ohu both opponents no any no ankasa ni team no to no timi make decision a etimi boa. It is sometimes I was surrounded with enipa watch ya on me catch row. Enipa ulusu focus on me catch say honorable tamana ubese to aba man o ba na ye na campaign man wo. They say no unya tumi no wo sesa. They say fa wo mfie wo ma. And many person ma obese aba wo ba yan to ma wo. And to listen to the people below you. Listen to the people behind you. And nyina kan ya metimi boa o ma wakudu. Me ntu futufu antwene. So we scout so ni scout. Don't throw away those people.
Nurse Sabre no one tie o cameraman na ofa na say oh you are just a cameraman. Ma me hwe so nko me bi ka bia cameraman
be kame.
Ko be so 19 ka video nko mun timi ntwe na ba bonte. Ka wanu onso say you will get there ka cameraman twa so so ne e first see na you get there na we nko do there na say na e be hardware pam. Afa yen hwe enwom na ba. Minim say various scenes ewom. Yen hwe all the scenes. Which one is your favorite? Cameraman dey na your favorite no.
Cameraman dey hear me pa because eno nanka eya ma video ni ngina kwa messing up by the end of the day no ye na me catch say Danny say no shoot you the Mr. Daniel chu me catch say yemfa krama ne de ni him yemfa ho ni him because ho no e wo lot of lessons so honom and obi anso ni bibia obetimi apeke afi ho obi nso be hwe krama na side ni say so start say wo na mo journey ni so a en krama be po wo kwan so krama po for attention. A lot of things will distract you. But don't let distraction, the number distract you no, and keep you from focus no. Because when I'm quite now, corner will become before one. And must say any man in the panic can move. Some may comment about your looks, some may comment about your appearance, some will comment about your ability, some will comment about say, sorry, now you teach now. We be two who ni pedu but a distraction or the distract you. A man no, a can no. Keep on going. Focus. Yeah, be focused. Focus. Yeah.
Focus. You be calling fufu but yentie nwom ne bimra. Before say be free side me so akofo for so far by no response necessary.
It's been massive. It's been good. One thing about me man as a nyuma nyame de ma me say I climb slowly. My song grows on you. Me nyum night say I a restaurant. Your restaurant, your chop bar. Chop bar okoye na ano. Ukuta osika. Na wankasa wa for wayewa. Obetwi brebo ne eya no watwi. Odi goods na no na utu akane do di ama. Boko restaurant so a afi na ye bebro warm water. E de lime agum. E de horo nsa. Na aduane mai na oti ho na wo twan ye wie de says kani na abeje we conditioning na on be charge back am. Enti it grows on you. Enti ana eno cranty ka na mentan fa nyumo magidigidi no. Because ana enyum no for 4 years, 5 years, 3 years kwa na on digest enyum no masem ni nwie. Because ana me pese menyum ne leave we bi wa adwuni mu. Pese I want to come to your level so that meti was na on weti me atimase. Eno no eba ne sa na ma onyum ye timeless. Emri bi obebo onyum bia no so on fa onyum ba bontin kra unya program call ama on to. Until you listen to the lyrics of the song. I say I was born naked but I was not born empty. Be ya share the ja but me ni pehunu. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Me nyankopon ne so na mani da ne so. Me di kan ahye me ho cry say adum wo wim ti me di nkunim. Gidie kan na mon hu. Ti me say medru. My favorite verse what song we mu ye verse 2 no. Me say de bia ni mu nsam. Adechie bia when yesi. Sometimes I smile. Sometimes I cry. Me na da me ho nchiche me rest say we are seeing the pain in our myself. Says so what is hard then show to me that you'll be okay in life. And find show to me so be happy awesome. Because they be a how to know be an energy.
Disappointment
what you say. Bo born person come in ye and nyame born when you baby into you they're not going to be happy about you. But some crofo no munye happy about you. No nyomo na obe say wan holding na omo. Enti no me na da me ho say we are seeing the pain in our myself. Or time be freedom pim. Na no see any person. The pattern why a part of human nature, emane how in this metaphor na to see me. Pese me nyankopon no onyai me. Gidie kan na mo we. Ti minim se medru. What word say a when I catch you say upese ukon mu anu adru, ukon mu adru kra ha ho a obeku ho asa kwan we so. Last bit of it. Me say me di aseda me nyankopon. O hye me den, o mama ho den. Ono ana mesum na bringina me de enura beye madisua na me de ene apreme kwaje no chena de me de nida so obe hia no kwan in the 2022 nyema na si wo mu no fire wadisua na 2023 ya nei fa pre nkwaje na fa ni da so hia wo china because uji hope fi ni pabraboma we just walk empty to so nya faith be say ade na wo ne be ye it's just a matter of time just go through the process we pass it through process no mu wi a obi ba wo search no kwan of us ya ubenya reference actually say see ni see na me ye no to be o chemi bia no you get there
nkranhye bia nchen de wo de amaya no pay yemfi wona yenkɔ onwum we mu yentie enomransa.
My summer point was about time and speed. Na me da ho that time na me nyanya 40 enyu me boy achew. Yes, me try and swatch. Na me hwese me kra se be mani da forma na me nya niam basa basa kra no. Enima me ka se metimi achieve an some 40 years na me ntimi endu mu half.
Me kware me kan me se opanye we wi adwuma no. Yemwa nipa.
Oh. Nipa hiamwa.
Nipa hiamwa. Hwe se de sin no. Na ye di nipa ne wura ho wieye. Na afi agensemo. Na kwabra na nko obetumi aboa nipa no. Sa bro wusu ni ti. Ene aye no de ejai. On obefa nsuo bottled water ne chicken wings hom de be serve nyina. Stama na maami da ho no. Na ne ba na epe kakra bi. Na odi akwa akoyade. Areho.
Ghana problem say anya kesi o.
Enkitikiti.
Ghana problem enkitikiti. Enkitikiti. Ghana ye me catch them for say Ghana any problem. Unum say Ghana any problem. Because we know our problems.
Yenimye how.
Yenimye how.
Ne yete ho.
But empese be hwe afa ho. Yes, in Ghana any problem. We know all our problems.
And knowing the problem so a part of the solution.
Yes.
Okay.
Intino Ghana any problem. Yenim udopa me mpiensa bonchen asisi a na yenhwe obi onam kwa ho be ne bisa ne se e de na ye Ghana be yiye obi abenya bibia ka kiro. We know our problems but ye pekasa. We talk. We just talk.
No action.
Ade no yen take action. Ade ne da table no so file yen fi on that table no so nya clear. Na file wona ne beto ho. E na ne beto ho nto de beto ho no se o de beto ho no e be blocking ya na. Ma ade no so fi ho.
Ma so anke ye ko.
Take the thing and let's go on. Yenim se wo se sika na yensa yen na yensa ka no. Yamwa broni ade oye ne se ede ne be ya society ni hu nyina beto wo mo inti se ye taxi wo mo a omo complain bebre because wo nim se tax no ye de aye kwan ye de free street lights ye de insurance ye de abie agric mu ama aduane e wo kronum ye de abie adwuma ama mabunu no omanya adwuma ni bi aye den ye educate nkwara no nti no se ukoye campaign kra o type kekekwa no mu read they know your policies
yen konkohwe enipa hiamwa ebimbra ye ba na ye di monkom
ama tia sama ma like ma from yam opani a wati musu di hoyi you be a follow the papa me tire nyuma na award timi nti anapanzi ma sa hunu ni dia because da bia me hanu nyuma na wa hye no ho a me hunu yi ba na de ba hunu face se me hye no kra no a bit my de ho me kase me kase go so a go so regia capital na me no kase na eme de park ne mate no ne nyankopon onhia no no ma no nkwane ahoden de yemu bi etin de bia e bit na kwen fo aba we ne ye na mama bu ne tuma de anyini yi ye shane de pa asapa et ne kwen mi da ati bia no be mpani papa e wo man yi mu
figan Minister OJ Adam ne tsena se a cheche nkobo minim se wa ye nsire fisem so ni e wa Adom TV ye dan ye ho aba ye nko ba bia wo de ye dan ye ho aba nti no ye ba de aka chire no me de beto aso ye nko ba bia fisem so ni he wa Adom TV bejam so me da se so guso a e ka me ho kai se wo hia me abefre me anoche wa ba adwa se wa na ye ba be di nkomo e ka chire se ye de two screen so abehu se in fact epitome of beauty and fashion ayaka bomu say yes sebu kakra na ene de menya na mne ne betwetwe nkomo no oba same ya timi say nyankopon ya dom ama nimdie ne nyansa ya wo kwanimu enti ne din ne Bozoma St John enkane no na wo ye chief marketing officer edema Netflix na ohwa abibrema manmu nipa wo mu atukwa kwa amanhodo so edure bidura ya na ye boabo mu nyina no na wonom aba a year of return ye and beyond the return so ye na wodi mu ntintima pante ne ehon komo na ye ba abedi Bozoma kwaba
das
medase ufri Ghana che
But me fi na me 12.
Nobody 12 years.
But yeah.
Na still what me kan fancy sa.
Na me mama na oye yo. And na ye fi na on ka hwe besides the fancy nti.
Mo wa kwantu mu ni nyina fancy na.
But yeah.
Wow. Yenhwe yenim se Ghana a year of return and beyond the return. I be a yearly thing. Fibia no ye se be ada experience ni betumi aba na ye hu say yenso ye wonuam wo baabi na omo so mo remfi wo mo nchi.
Right.
The journey so far it's saying.
Oh, hey, asam na oyedin. Because yeah, ada wa kan wo abrochi about, Ghana na de no onye fe. Inti osede hen ye ma oye fe kakra. Inti warba no wo fe kakra. Inti amede me mission in there. Mbema we hu there ha ye fe. Ade ye di, ada ye share njuma ye tei na di na ina ye fe. Inti se woba wenya beje. Inti am the ona na mpede me ye.
Na se metiasie ya Ghana shede nidi papa wo ho. Inti no nkrofo ba se no mo twetwe omo ho. Omo dwen wo tutu. Inti wa fa to wo so be mo hu se Ghana is a peace loving country.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Inti they should come and experience Ghana.
Children of Africa they are one country. Inti when you put there Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, Africa nina one thing.
Okay.
Inti there waka there betu kwana enka there beko Africa. Ebeka there beko Paris and Dubai and the Saint-Tropez or baby them. In time the pede and crofon there, I had to there Saint-Tropez, had to there Paris. Inti serba so if I was a cabra.
Exactly. It's response net saying.
The response it's just that it's heartwarming. Who may say I'm a kind of fan team, but it's heartwarming that I think hey na your responsibility there you beka e bia ka ho na krofo na woba na so yan part there almost when you abeje ehun so almost work ofia na ichi de beka wapaka che wan yankofo or nkrofo there almost so one year bi also one bread bi nti am the menu aje I think that woba they have a good time.
Yenhwe we new rule no when say and what are we to expect?
Hey, well. Since as me and MP, may take a break from corporate America. Me ejuma with Netflix, me ejuma with Apple, Uber, Pepsi, and since I did me a little break while Marisha to the creative pursuits will book Arba in February, next month. Now, of course, Ejuma Maria with the current president, with a Diaspora affairs, not the beyond the return. Inti, under me, I feel good.
Wow, I feel here Treasure Island.
Oh yes,
event.
Hey, Treasure Island, Pochako Hoda.
No. It's all the
okay.
Because me chain when I
okay.
What baby?
Oh, on the Yarko.
And you know, be a partnership, no.
Yo.
Near be event.
Yes.
Come.
Yeah. And with the Treasure Island, I'm the Moko no August year Mokoi for the first time.
Okay.
Not until home put that. But Mokoi na move there. Wow. Well, on the the local in Crofona Woko. The day trip and now I got the whole 1 night, 2 nights. The whole you're fine. There were camels or horses or jet skis. There are all kinds of activities. Yes.
I say underutilizing.
Exactly. Some say, hey, well, hey, the chair. You put my popular because I was down. And see, I'm so another thing I'm putting me in there. Of course, in Crawford Bagana, what about Accra? Another walk on Cape Coast, walk on castles, and Kakum National Park, maybe walk on Kumasi in Pokakra or something. But there, one call other places. Into more there, Treasure Island, Wada, and I'm say, well, it's just 90 minutes from Accra.
Into it's not about driving traffic.
Into Ekwa, not when you're at Accra, Ekwa Yenzeme, view of what the America water sports and F4 boat, Ekwa sunset and. There were a river vault and right on the River Volta, baby, Oceania, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Guinea.
Yeah.
Inti what you pepper, inti na pede ye events wa hono kwafu hu. Mesia hospital.
2023. What should we expect?
Ooh. John, the moon to catch ho. Just about bio na
but then don't say go expectation so that they can ride along.
Oh, on the I think every year be a pede a BBR bigger and bigger and bigger.
Okay.
The Mu then Crawford War by J1 citizenship in this year there was a very big honor 2 weeks ago where yet today swearing in of new citizens. Now it been about what year new citizens in me want to be 2018. Into that very I felt very proud. You know, the Crawford what about 2018 on for that way you're Ghanaian citizens.
Yes.
Into that my expectation and now that me pay that 2023 and there and Crawford there more in Crawford baba you know there will be Ghana then pay me more events so bigger ones now not just December because I think that as a young man Crawford there it was my every time it be exactly a Independence Day at 6 March and a August to the summertime or US, UK. Chunk of what vacation. That's it. What to quan? Into Yanka one brahaso. You know, has your option. The wababa.
Na industry no. We am
well, I mean, I think the industries in the chair on the any industry be a
more ding.
Yeah.
But being a diasporian, how are you coping?
Oh well, there I find that both places are home.
Okay.
The Jamaica the Ghana na made 12 into you know the Ghana they're not the my parents won't fear you know not mine into me about the me 30 or so na bebe but the my uncle for of course me I'm own a community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See, when do we expect say we sign come back and that when the what na say?
Oh.
We be develop Ghana.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But maybe be
okay.
Nah.
Yes, all the what's what the person man for muba.
Yeah.
Be just citizenship no be kan ho wa.
Yes.
In fact when baby are free.
Exactly.
Nah.
And now I boy so you know I think that Jamaica the economics and the you know what but now what's he done what your business you know the what's the way your BB wa you know
we'll be invest here.
Yeah, exactly. We'll invest another will pay education, health. You know, then me wanna care about medical care. Won't be see to the hospitals and centers and the Kofa and Damapi abroad one by your
okay.
Yeah. Okay. I think that all industries I think will be good.
And no one so more response to say.
Oh, doing yaji. Okay. One there ya pede waba. No there a higher be able to buy a prosperous society.
There's a potential no
potential no no so what's okay. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, your time didn't ye call. Any final words to uncroft ne or my citizens or monso a war breach or more show or more on your events. Then I'll be catching.
One bra. Menstrual.
Omumbra Ghana.
Omumbra Ghana.
Ghana ye de.
Oh yeah, dead.
Ghana so ye fe. Enti show camera mu na fabro for catcher or no muntini ye.
Okay, make camera from all of my diasporans, you must come to Ghana. This is the best place on earth and I challenge you to come.
Yes, what challenge mo say. Bumra na be say Ghana ha no, ne ma papa e wa ha. Oh, ye da se pass, ye to suffer wa. Wo buy. Ebusia efisem so enie e wo bedwam Adom TV. Me da se wo hwe me a. So for Ima, Shepherd House Assemblies of God, Kumasi Akoko Amo. Daddy, I love you so much. Oshema no pay. Freak face Cardi, Mechiba, Osheme. Stella Bay. Nimsa won so Osheme. Adofo amaje bra. Mo hwe afise me se bra no free sabri ya kopem say. Bosome no be pay mu kakra no. We are rebooting your life into series no. E be bra kakra chichire wo re. Ajeje wo tata mo hu ne se afofo asase. Empire wo ho na emom nya nidaso. menka se nya yi saa pepepe ne yekɔ no nti ahwe ani mu se ya na anopa bia no ekobo no nsia watumi ehia na afia de abro me sorry so ne de ne se akwasinsia aye krado na me ne Bozoma St John na etwetwe nkomo ono no we Ghana ni ofiri mfante memu ha sei na wakwa akwetena bridge so okwa na se 14 years ana no wo 12 rather 12 years no akwetena hono mu a se waba ne nchi na waba yenso ana se woto nsa afra foforo se wo musomra na omra na Ghana ede na hefe no meye investment ono na me no etwetwe enkomo no na kai se fisem no St Andrews SHS kwai mu abrane se oba na tro BC awie papa bi papa de na fa na wa tro wase atwa anya school pon akowura mu a St Andrews SHS anso na Calcate toothpaste fa paste papa twitwiri wosen na ema wanum enye kama na wo kasa nipa ho a wa anhye mask by force obu agamo na nanum ntibi nkasa nipa ho efiri na ekoinom fa Calcate toothpaste twitwiri ba na se na wonyini na ma no ahoden kidimen syrup so eye nkwada mo jedru akwada wontumi na ontumi ni die obata amani binom na wontumi na ne di ma na akwa na nye kama na okuta wa akasa he obolo maame se de se wo mo frɛ obolo maame sa hene no a na wonum abusia so ne yegina na afisɛm a mede somo anopa esi obedwa mede ne nyina esi wuhia me a ɛyɛ afrɛ me anochewa ba adwa se wa kwasinsi etena se na bedwa mpense mu ɔde atwa so afisia pa
ɛna no na asɛm kan ɔse awurade sɛ wo ne ma nkɔ a mekɔ a ɛnyɛ yie so ye ne wo gidie ne arehyɛ mu yɛ hu sɛ nyankopɔn kan wɔ ne yɛ kɔ no 2023 ye bedru eno na me che adibio CNN e amete se other countries apart from America omo trading ebeko into recession then obisa on say 2020 ye nya ne ye 2021 na ending 2022 na ke fi se mbako kakra nso ne ko wie che ne makoye esesinsna 2023 na ke ba ba homene nso bue ye die ne but those who know their God shall live just, and by his word we shall live upright. Enya dia if we are senshye ebebuye hu. Nyame no se ode ebeko no, ode ebeko. Emwachi emwakwaba na sekese ko ba gude ba akofo so de agude mu nsem ebre no achi ena anochi waba enso de afisem dwumadie etoaso ede ma ye free sabre kopem se nonkono ebebo medin de akwasi ensian pense bre enie ewo bedwam on Adom TV ever na sekese enkoma Hyper Plus mix ede bia meka cho se ede papa na abadwa so eboama interior de yetu ase kra ede Philippe dwem eno misunya ko hospital Dr. Sanse agitum se interior de bi aba ni padwam pe ade a wo hia eye Hyper Plus mixture eno ene papa ene betimi aboa mo agina na so prim ama bi apaso ko bia otimi akoboa ma immune system no so no ano eye din ye pa Franco Trading Enterprise de be kese fun papa na dwesuo enwonom opefun ya ne bo eye kamafun obeche de amafun obeche na ne bo so efo papa de asem na make yom say air condition eye fridge eye TV eye sound system bi apa de sise o dem bia ebe ye bia no eye Franco Trading Enterprise akache na make for de amahwemo ewo enkrai ene kumasem sanso na Kelchaco toothpaste ye po ese twie sam ye say kamenu beto so a na eye Kelchaco toothpaste me say kan tetene ma na bidiem egu body tresum ene de atwie se so saa be we na se afita ene de bidie no aye toothpaste eye Kelchaco toothpaste de ayem edi saa wodi na ewoma na atwie se na enum toso se afita no saa pepepe na Kelchaco toothpaste no so etiem supermarket be bia to ade bia be ko bia aksa be ka bi ehonum medical card was a Mr. Wada moja swat de enya unya ko hospital Dr. Sanse se moja swat hu moja dra eye city blood tonic na make for e de amawom arapa mamfa enchi akese en confirm minister Apple ya wo Trinity Baptist Church minister Apple one oje na eba Adom TV anapa mutesa anapa na anochwa ba any minister OJ edwetwe enkomo de enyumu a OJ abon over the years ya ehye in crime pani ba ko pa otechire ye eye minister Apple your called Trinity Baptist Church nyame admo on the 8th of January 2023 ye nyina ye hia ewo TBC Asafia ewo UPSA opposite one mo HPI Jumedi the 10th anniversary na ebaso ye ko hia ne atonyum ye himnyum na yenti Nyankopɔn asem enso ehonum. Then once again a very good morning so every AC ohene ehonum ese memfa enkoma ekuoma nyina mekire eye nkabom ekuo kwawu nkwatiamankuo yamwo enkran kwawu nkwatiamankuo yamwo enkran AC ohene so mamu nyina afishiapa afese sei na ne de obi akoma so nyame aye ediama no oso osre enhyira enkoso kanko yedie puntuo edema ekoni ekuba bia. It once again happy new year enko enfama kwawu nkwatiamankuo yamwo enkrawe every AC ohene ho de pedikasia atrasa no pede babedi enko de kan no flying that wa bonten yewura 2023 ye babedi just still ye beto ne ma abode anase ye hwene mu se no bokoso aba form edema pedipon da Ghana dwadfo nyina nkabomko ano Dr. Joseph Obin a president of Ghana Union Traders Association oncha akwemwa charapai official panso amen amen you are able to say from 2022
so 2022 they said they munimtiari ni ano dem sa yesu sa the whole year and challenges bi ayenya wo ye dwade mu say inflation cause cost interest rate cost and exchange rate see the depreciation in no amfa yo ama adwade
okay
anunti ema yesika no ekwa ahokyere mu pa yemududo na ahye yedwetre be between 55% to 60%.
Wow.
That's the value of your capital no akofom. Nyese bia no ahye say you ba see the na holding no kofoma.
Okay.
Said nka dollar dodo anka betimi ato no ntiminto. Na say eniyema dodo nso anka betimi ato no ntiminto. Na say as a hudwetre na ese.
And depreciation so the assemble pa because I don't go ade kakese beto Ghana so ma ye kakura peja kosro ebebre chense ne ye so adwadifo ekwaba na mfo aso amutimi kurakura mu ama wasade abewura 2023 na mada so trading
yo on say de na de bia meka no say samre no on say me babontin kura be ye broadcast bi ma ye dwadifo nyanye se bia consumers no ana Ghana for na mempo ma se ba na ya yem hihye say you be too adwadifo no fo say wa nhwe ye no anye wonkonta yi a na say wudwetre ebehye nti say nyansa ne akyerɛkyerɛ a yɛde ma wo mo ne sɛbi obi adwadie mu nyansa kakra wo no ene ma yetimi survive well of course through the grace of God also and the strength that
what's about the hu ba pa o obi anto the shop mu no
wow on say no so on say said na ade no si kono
okay
say ye dia nke bia aban nim say problem o bia accept say problem o and so on say enka general impression enke bia aban kra betime nyan say adwadefo nkasa ye omu ensu ye die na say maybe say the situation no so kono they can contain it
okay
and so na ade no so ye ntimi so
okay
and the na say ye ba ne ebe tintezu kokko say no wan ye bibi waka na man sorry ampe solution bia abua bi ti yawe wọ́n sì yẹ yẹ no so abani ye shai oni other stakeholders shai equality possible information a solution ma womo etintima na ban ebegina o the president ebeka policy directions about the wọ́n sì yẹ so no the solution abreye nti sani ma no ya na ni na ye negative editem bia na buti amba you give a government a pinch so one sorry no anye bibia bibi bebanti ono de ya na nye negatives a also ko wiase afa na amanfo eye protest ye high no na we ya na akwese ye de ebia politics kakra ebe frefrem
in 2022 Ghana forced to free adwadifo because it got to a time when na yen dollar hover around 15 Ghana cedis to the dollar. Now your diesel ended up 23 Ghana cedis. The Huyan says Sakrebi Abba ama fe fuo na nanka what 23 Ghana cedis no. afei no so ne number 15 Ghana cedis na ye hu se dollar and 8 9 10 Ghana cedis the corner man for a call on a dreadful say yentene maso as president of a dreadful Ghana motimi aye assessment hu se mo manfo a enya saa mfaso de free enema eba fom no otete so ma na reflect won niema ayeto e wo yedwama so
ene mo am bedi hu adanse na mame correct won so
okay
enye you know Ghana for ana consumers no dey ka free yen okay entity niema so so obeka ya dollar no be do 12.5 na
yeah
ena me dimrika as a leader of the traders no ebeka say momiamo modna samra na do you know dollar no kosro na sidi na ho de na kofom no ye tumofo say mo antsem wanje munkunta ye antotom ne mamu a mo je trade be samra de abafom nti abafom no so momian hwe consumers ayenso ye no mo edidwa no cause adwade na ye di no ye ni no kwantin crew ye ne ye customers no na edi se customer no ekwa ahotire mu a wontimi nton wa de because when the purchasing power na kofom and the better wetimi abeto ne na afri ho na wano na ne friend turnover no wenya na wonso adwuma atumpo nti me na me de appeal no eba ye a megina meku anamu e distre Ghana adwadifo say ye entity ne maso then no say ye good faith ye show good faith to the people of Ghana. Now, if market, this will be a 1% the market has responded to the changes.
Okay.
And yes, I dropped it.
Get 40 near my
no clear woman say, now ye were challenge. Your challenge near what pan say, once $1 no, air cost could do 15.5.
Yeah.
Nothing was a speculation, I didn't could do 20. Eti amanfo bebre do mu dwetre na di ka se me tona ekodu 20 dia na me dwetre ahye eni ti won se dollar no eba ya bedu 80 no mo so ayi amanfo meto
yeah
because we di sika na akoto abode wo ko first kan we hen bio na ade akoto so ka ya
yeah
eni ti na se ye di kan aboka am sika na akoto nti dollar no kra ti abafo mu a ebe de wetumi transfer that gain
yeah
nti na that was the challenge and another challenge you know so ne Womwa no mo ye retailers retailer no de oni foreign exchange no eni twaka bia woni de wo import anakoto nema ba no de abre no enti ade amra nema no bo no e kosoro no import no de abeton ama no aboden
okay
enti woni de dollar no kosoro e ba fomu e bo na ye ton ma no na eso hwe so etom pacho what you say because we need dollar no
direct link to the dollar
and it just be our ton asa koto foforo
okay
and it is any many na no and it na me here say ye manage and say ye measure your expectation no say ye nso fanto so superman so
okay
na ye enkoye say ye nso amadwadifo nso ho akyerem too much ntie ye because say ye strike reasonable averages so be ade no to be abodin and now to be adentem na to be fo yakra and bia na wo stock nti strike balance bi na yentimi transfer gains ni bi to the consuming
because then ma make business sense time I buy for this benchmark value e buy na ke ye hwe ni se be ma enema bo akofom and consider na abai according to government officials because na ke hwe ni se benchmark value no betimi ama enema bo akofom kakrapa ba ko wie chi no so then later it is good for the response about say oh say Kenya benchmark value ni kura
could have been worse
and kanema bo be kosoro kura chense ne ye when then government comes back and says bani ne mo kan dey because the agreement between ye ne mumajed for the same ye the mam said be ya it will show up musika kakra no na am dey abete ne ma bo so dey na be ka che say nye no akanema bo be kosoro then ne
so on say factors of costing no a very shipping lines free charges abitua any exchange rate in some way you can na no a major component of costing
okay
and it's be a one aspect to be a conforma won fa no kwa no nyesusu dia no
okay
and na na ka say saa no abeka ho no eboa yen a lot ba eno so no entre say eniema no enko form abra other factors no so e kosoro anything you can say it could have been worse. And a back chesa, but we were able to contain the changes ahead of the situation. Now, once one more kind of answer, one more minimum day, and we're ready, any AGI4, any even a buying and penny for one more day near my twins and you know. Woman say that's not the true picture. Wouldn't we say, you are more Cassania Menina, no, the entire reverse benchmark values, you know, wouldn't we have to create that? Yeah. But one more reverse it because there one more what tie and you also see DNA say benchmark reduction or the bread ready for no. About imported goods, I have for so much. Ama yen industries na wa no. Okay. Entimi and compete with imported goods. Okay. What does it tell you? What the some can they see and they making? And it is see na a reduction a reversal of the benchmark no. The put here is here by any so AGI for a lobby ye any soon AGI for a soon ye ni na ne say benchmark abaye wo kofa ba ye no. Ama imported goods no ayefo dodo ama yen yentimi nton omo ye manufacturing wa local manufacturers no yentimi nton ti yesia no aya reverse benchmark no na se botaya e dey yenim ne say imported goods no bo enkosro sebe ya local manufacturers no ebetimi etumpon enti se wutia sembi wa anhwa yani we dwediem no yenim as a good amuni age our issue yeni issue na se sia no on say de na me yani aban ye pa aban a cho ne say ye gitum say wo hwe say the exchange rate esiko ye eno nkeka wa na say kwa say ye import no e too much any other factors any importation kwa say ye ka say foreign direct investors repatriation of their monies in other corruptible practices in Emma exchange rate in the but we feel important so was not the way to go. They say you better enhance local productivity. And then we go with government. We go with AGI. Say and no and a Badwam. Why not? We have to give them the support and see. Say one more by virtue of the reversal of the benchmark, you know. Ebetimi amoma djuma na tumpon amianya ya enhance product yetimi produce within ama yetimi patronize ya self sufficient one three for sempa kodo and nti ya bo abanchi dom on that aspect but the yes rabani say eniema ya kwa banane kofa no the ya hwehwe no Ghana ha ye benya ye import requirement no we can only get 20%, less than 20% in Ghana. Okay, next time to Asia, and near my Ghana for here where dada setinamono. Yes. Near Betimia and Yememuno, a best less than 20%. Exactly. Over 80% from on it. From on it. And in tea, Sana said the young and we are in premier dear. Exactly, to see because you share a near ma, there be a Yaquaman and Nokotona. Okay. What a young show them here. Young sure apart from Niama ye wood ya ye ni one can Niama we na electronics lights in ye na no. You know what they am ya ye ensusu dear. Ubo say sad we ya ebe me nam ye agent mutrusa na ewo ho. Okay. Ya the free taking neighbor. So na ubo say 80% them ya would obi a wo Ghana bia amfa ni fie household things say cooking utensils ni one can ho. Ubo say sa niama no dia ye ne Ghana ha no enoso dia woni fie kura. Okay. Enti ne stress say ya na aban person niema bo no enso ekọ from kakra na eso Ghana consumers na consuming public no fi kakra no. Nka ye susu ye dia say enke ye besese niema ye ne Ghana ha no ya atemize sa niema ni na nka ye yi a benchmark no free sa niema no so. Okay. Na dia nka yanya ni ha ne de nanka ya maye discount kakra ama eniema no emu ayefo kakra na ye consumers no mabre na say wo hwa afi mu a wa eniema bo aye den ye su ne won keka ho na say nka so nya respect kakra ye betoa eno so akọ
other areas of this discussion. Buani anti how mo price mo niema na se. Because the last time na empedophobia ka wo hwe won e ton fam wo man mu a. Time a dollar ne sha se e cost hwim. Empedofo tena se ye calculation ye hu se. Won e kra fam wo eba no e de entumu best $9 e na atoso. Presumption. Say oh ye fee say. But the reality nankasina kahwe mpa na say kantumie around be say $4 to $5. But nipa ni fee say me ton wie na me kase me kwa akoto a dollar ne be komo a chance say me fee say etiesese no etunu apagye mbum. Kwan be na mo akasa so fa so ye mo pricing with a dollar CD rate na ye hu no. Se na bia ye ku enim se bibisa AC na se entumu e ba e betia se o ampa we dey se na ekol e entumu pepepe ye o se saka no e ne yenyen
yo I say wo forecast it.
Yeah.
I say adena aye unpredictable ye hu se diska no ebekwa kodu enti ande se me kran se si a ma to ne buo sei na beba na adena kodu 19 a so we use $19.
Yeah, $19.
And even though it was higher side. And so allowed in the but let me tell you yana difference and we say difference in na aye ehu ama aye point of discussion.
Yeah.
Nemo bia kradia so with me predict na who say said oh currency in and mame say 15.5 there mean the 16 sabi ya beba na say adina could do 16 na me moka eno de odwadini bi atimi ye enti metimi aka say emra na sidi no so ye stable no or the sane man no bia enye because adina ye you can forecast you can plan with the stability of the currency.
Okay,
it is a instability no ba and amount for yes predictions no.
Okay,
enti your factors of pricing no there mainly no ya na akwaye ebia cost of buying the goods itself or no the dollar and a better enema na free amanoni.
Yeah.
Now wo ba wetua freight charges na freight charges no ba wa betua duty any VAT ni na wo port wo ni na kafu a ya about 55%, so duty a wotua na 20% a ni na kafu a ebe ye 55% of your transactional value into the $100,000 na koto niema na wo ba betua 55% as duty until I say over if you $55,000 and the diakotua would duty VAT and other charges na ho portro no.
Yeah.
Na oba aja wodo umfaso ekakra e the account. Of course, same rate no so no and one they did determine price duty payment no. To say same rate no so was run no so apija duty no. Okay. Anti sa niema na na ye na we are with 5% be atoso for
that be able 5% too.
Wow, competition na wo ho no so overprice wo ho you are overpricing yourself out of the market. Competition no so papa mainstream government work no ni ho adwuma ye nyina yetimi ye bie eni so bia ye ya ukonya table top bititetu a utire ye a no anya store eni ye nyina ye sam ho tu koma kola ye sam ho thousands of people. Enti wontimi enkotena ho na wonka se meme de ye me to me boom na on se Ghana ha no ye wo consumers market you need the sellers market.
Okay,
it's the consumer who determines the price. Wo kwa brochira ye price tag no ebobo niema ho it you need choice. Ghana ha no ye bageni ye di ade ano ene nipa ne samo bebre enti wo customer no ena wo be search na wunya de ne de eboofo a wa reward no wa punish de nebo den
amafo kan we ade na alatafo furo mamu be digwa Ghana no ne mabo wo fom ade kro na Ghana ni ton na ne board in chalata ni de.
Yes, adentina Ghana for every Ghana ekoto niema wo Togo na wo mokọ ekoto niema free no yenye enye manufactured goods no mkoto.
Okay.
Togo manufacturing companies bi enu. Also ye imported goods. But it's a cost of doing business. Ewo Togo no ewo from ninti. Ghana for no ese free ha. Abra niema na yenia so yakra bi wa ha no. Wo mu free akọ Togo koto. That's the analysis that you have to do. Cost of doing business. It is for no the interest wo ho no so no what Nigeria no satia.
Yeah.
It in niema no ko free in Nigeria. What's the Ghana for so ko Nigeria for koto niema. That's ono so na ti Nigeria. And one cost of doing business no ewo from tea comparatively no woman niema no ebo for say na or the ba no beton a or no advantage exchange me am wo Ghana.
Okay, niema krona ye kra Ghana e kra Nigeria kra Togo e kra no.
Yes.
Uko Nigeria ne bo no ewo form e chen se ne ye kra wo Ghana hanom.
We say when nipa dodo a enedua yi wo matena ka mu ko Togo. Na said ye ma menom eni enu ama no ko Togo no sa na Togo fo beto ne ma wa
ene mu nyina mo ko Nigeria ne Togo nko famre
na mi ka se wo be ko enu akofa ba no no wote ho no yen so no see ye protest wa ha mi se mi nko Nigeria nkofa ne ma se mi so me ye effort edi bat said the wo Nigeria ne to ba me unfortunate situation is that the cost of doing business no
okay
eye higher.
That's obi be kwa from Nigeria. No aba beton na ne bo from chen wo a wo Ghana here no ba beton the same market there mu. Say the bo no from chen wo a so crowd there na be si Ghana here. Then mu nyinam ko Nigeria say.
Other factors so ho. Cost of borrowing. It is the cost of borrowing no e cheaper than you are. Wa no ekọ ne bank kwaji iska no ni sika no insihonu esase until still no advantage say it will not take from one day or the bar no what those package advantage for him and he will edge you out until you say in the soft region no Ghana is being pushed out of competition
when it comes to trader
asema me ka bebe wonte woni abi nkotogo woni an nkotogo a factory ho no okoto niama eni mo okoto singlet ni pants ni yi textiles ni niama mo ekofa ba na no yi imported ye no Togo ho enti ye busa ye ho se adentina Togo for no I import niama te se de Ghana ni no so import niama na yi Ghana for no etimi koto free Togo no matter ni ye importers no abeton am de akra for say
is it because Togo honum no inferior goods eniema enye papa ena omo kra de ba wontiama ne bo no wo form ana se de mapapa ye bi na ye nyina nso ye kra
mix womo Togo for ebi a emra bi a ncha Togo for enkra ne mahunu nko a enye possible to say de Ghana ha ebi kra ne mapapa ne bi kra enema eda eya adantamo ene de eye cheap no sa na omo so system ne tie enti ne no me pese obia eti ase anything atombo ase echeche we mu akere Inti so say alatani no eba ha factors of doing business in his country. No what they compare ye de na what eni enkofu de na ebo de me de kwa meto anofo ate homo no aso aba because ye enkofu bebre nye Nigeria no omo diga ye enkofu bebre omo abro tire omo nim Dubai omo especially omo musika tsa nkro musi akro no won de okọ Togo no okọ yi enso na niema no bia Ghana for na kra bi ewo ye wholesale obi ento because wo koba ye no duties abetua benchmark ya resi any VAT akosoro any cost of borrowing wako borrow sika be 40%. Ebi ono wonu krom borrow be 15%. Etin ono no to transfer the difference between your capital.
Okay.
That's how Canadian woman ni cheaper than you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Then when your cost of doing business no ekosoro a competitive because a person so foreign exchange na yesu no and also na mai esisa ko Togo any Nigeria yo ko ko Nigeria the dollar na ekotoba ansa na Nigeria for no so atwesa ne ma no afuom krom bebre di aba through the eastern corridor no ma beton wi a wo ba sa dollar pro ya putting pressure on our dollar.
2023, quite been a good effort so dealing with this Nigeria petty traders in our market.
Oh, I know they say I know say Okobianuma aban adaroma o ma special dispensation bi ayenso yete ase say wo mo ba krom ya abedu be up to 2020 ye mo kwan wo mo document no
okay
eniti ye joint committee ana Nigeria bank ka ho yenso ye ka ho Ministry of Trade ka ho ye bigger committee
okay
ema yes sonny wo mo a wo mo qualify na enti safo no ye biebie wo mo shop ama wo no wo mo a wo mo no en qualify no ye tutu wo mo shop nti ono de ye da aban any Ministry of Trade titru as say o matimi asset sa committee no na ewra onmenyamfo anadoku maame doku ono so ona na eda no ono so aboa ama yetimi abedu sampempen so yedu
it is here ka say enhwere say 2023 ye nhyeda ehunu say gutafo nam kuta padlock near to Nigeria for shops.
Oh, there be task force no na ye.
Okay.
See the ye task force no e the aban e na amo mahoden.
Okay.
E no mo yes adwuma no. Until social o mato circle shops no. O mato opera square shops no. Kaswa e no mo call ya ye nya coincidie kakra. But no national security has been informed to ombeko all the regions because you see no mo am qualify no ya doso munka temu amamo no akwanya no se munimu dwa mo wa qualify ne de na enisa wo twa kwa mo bi eba ebetumti na se eno no de menim se afi de ye beda.
The focal point of Yankomodia no pay trade in 2023.
Yeah.
Say buying the VAT and to move 2.5 aba. Benchmark value any hobby. Jodi be say this year.
Yo. Enti the atiane say on say abana botai any AGI botai say imported goods ebe kosro.
Yeah.
Botai to pa
for this year.
Yeah, for the reversal of the benchmark, you know, that's the argument around it.
Okay.
Say, ye niama ye crab and then benchmark reduction into ama, you know,
imported goods,
imported goods for you know, international definitely. Sabi, yanso yanya for the Christmas. So omo de tuano ebeto soa. We will pass it on to the final consumer. Yanso ya de bema nipa na obeto no. Na AGI any local industries no so etime tumpon na the say ni say wo kodwom na say bia imported goods no ebo na kosra na wa hwe so obenya de ye ne Ghana ha no fofofo a mun do so dwonu mu na mo kon mo anya de ye ne Ghana ha no fofofo a na maka tra ba say you know manufacturers no mo ma yetoto niamam no still no woman niama no ebo edin
munye happy.
What is it?
Yaudi o wakumem.
Enye yaudi. Yes, you person support to the local. No. Wokasa you will not be for. But yeah, on said one here.
Okay.
The local manufacturer no.
Yeah.
He is being overpampered. A brand so yen sonumu. Evaluation of what they are getting
because the capacity.
Because already you know they have a leverage of over 45% over the importer. Because no the nearman the duty rate you know the cost require 5%. Maybe zero. Anything so it was zero rated of or raw material inputter. Then you have the leverage over the importer.
So now okay said 2023 imported goods bobe cost repair.
That's why they have removed the benchmark the policy, no discount policy, no. Say, but yeah, you know, local manufacturers bit me tumpon, local manufacturing goods, you know, nebo no, ebe competitive.
But I make say penny okay. I just say yen na ebe badwam se eba beto ade especially niam ya credit from no ne eba no. Ye ba ye fan to team say ne bo be kosoro.
Because discount kakra yen nya no ye free ho. Discounter say ya niam no medical ka say exchange rate and the duty ayetua.
Yeah.
And in the main factors of costing.
Okay.
And it is a saniam no kosoro there. Next definitely you will pass it on to the consumer. And definitely say and also na ye botaye a day ye ni so say ye be ma local industries etumpo a me I'm all for it but the other minister ni senka bia about you know ki be list locally made product no
okay
nanka ya reverse you know
okay
ya yi discount na fro nanka de ye nya wa ha ne de nanka ya maintain but setie bia no se bia ba nso e person nya revenue so honma that's a what can I say because at this time your war economic challenges enye ne na ubetimi ayo opposition to it enti your ben manage but no so say we have to pass it on to the final consumer because they see a VAT no so akosro with VAT no the man no eya home take kakra ne say ya ka atraban say VAT system na ne hye no it does not ensure fairness it's not uniform because system no as it is now no akwaya 3 eto no etua na akwaya 3 system
okay
wo mo mutua you know standard rate ono no say am ya to VAT mo no wo mo no na so mbetua about 21% and na so okoto dia na say woni akro no standard rate o be charge 21% and wo betua
plus the actual cost
okay and sana your you know the otua flat rate no ono ha charge 4%
okay
it is no charge 4% na and sana the wono no wo mo say wo mo ye nketengete a yen kata wo mo into the taxnet no wo mo de yen register wo mo kra enti wo mo no de wo mo charge etuo ni bi minua there's no compulsion on the part of the consuming public say okoto ade achintina chia VAT mebo wo de kanokrepa last time what
menkai
what VAT
me ma misakra menkai
eti enye enhye ni VAT invoice collection no eti ni pakro no kwa or discretion they want charging 20% no obekọ akoto onto they want charging even 4% no kwa onto because ye na so the structure of our market no ye na ye wo bia baako a ye ton ade baako
okay
now me to and the nam say my register for VAT no me ko charge 20%. Now obi enso e charge 4%. So me pivot invoice kra na me ko de ni de esu no. And I mean person me tua nso so a me ko de won tua bi kra. And yes monye na ade no enye uniform na ensure compliance because the tia ya na your taxes ni bebre ni entimi nya you know targeted revenue no and they said there's no compliance until I didn't know compliance and your talent
okay
now there you say we betumu no enkwaa de hia there
but that's your problem can say what me atia say benchmark value na kamoni be da so e be boa akoshin mo na akoshin ye na e ba beto de ma no ene efri ho no de na mu amokra ne ma e de ba because komo aye di nyina kire say about 75 to 80% of niema ye use ye dada setrem no ye credit from no na eba ole sa de china se de nyina se de ma sa de ya fine eti dudu we nyina Ghana fo be hia de na guta members betimi aye e de akushin ye na eba beto niema afi e kakra
oh on say to say ye nya against e foreign exchange ya ye tete so no to tell you the truth ye so twa Cathedral ma to wi a na nwenam bia on say ya na ye kase adwadifo no me electrical goods na meton electrical no me consumer of pharmaceutical products me area me do me ba enu ngika metal stationery for me kit food and beverages me consume team obia trader bia ni baby and a consumer bi go baby
okay
we are intertwined ye na ye kro ye na ye consumers
okay
eninti se niema yefo a eyefo ma ye nyina eboa ye nyina eninti na edu term bi ni ensem ni bi wo ye ka the person a ye de ka no ya no ye ka ma ye as consumers as well
okay
eninti enye se bia obi ade boapayo ebetu ni niema mba ye fra bibi proportional ade no so akọ na ya to duty ma wo be hwe proportional increment na
aban
eba wo niema so no na wo de aka obe no badika aka say wo overprice wo ho so a you overprice yourself out of the market it dey do time bi kra na obi kra akoto niema aboden enso na woni choice say obete so say be ya obetumi aton ne niema because oton niema no so abodin bebra this time my interest rate akosro.
Yeah.
How do you pay your bank?
Sure.
If you are not able to pay your banker, ubon say usika no so no aban bia wa be bank no wa beji properties and as a BBC. Until ubon say then you are challenged. Anything it is not in our own interest to overprice in the market.
Okay.
Anything dia ye bia no ye edem kontabuo to ho ehwe dia ye a ebeboa ye consumer no ene dia ebeboa ye ni ansa. Because wo boa customer wo say obi an adwuma koso bia no ye ka say akwa no customers so nim say
yeah
customers no di twi a ekoho no etre say the services you good the price you good.
Okay.
Enti obia no enso epese oyesa ema the customers. But se niema no bo koso na wo say wo kosto we na ne dia boso na say factors na free baby ekoto niema no duties no hongika same rate and ma prices no
Guta, do you have control over pricing?
No, not even the government. Not even the government. We can only advise our members.
Any disadvantage from my as of mine?
Saying
you need control over pricing of goods and services.
Yes, and anything said the first now socialist states in Oyeno. And to our back crowd near ma. And you are buying the Sianka buying and crania manu be brave.
Okay.
No fako good baby to say the first nanka GNTC. What's the first near the Akasi the permit, Yama permit to be got to Yama. GNTC. Wako sala bi. It is a sunny pen so can say a bino a craniama into a crano war no chicha. Now for the control say, oh, me the Yama base na me de mamu. And to Montoni say. Ba obia no de na ho den obia ko penny de tre no akofa you know we are in a liberalized economy and inti prices na kasa
Emudia na officer Yamagana as a trader.
Yeah, the liberalized economy. So aban ko fa ne maba na tete wo hu bi ni asala no wo ko sala ni bi da
mi na mentor le ba baby who was at the
babo so bia wo ko sala.
Okay.
Send your man ya buy ya turn control price ni akosa life free a hakopim ayi ni etwama
but yet me and kwan bi so a enkoye sa GNTC e pen so bia because for example Ministry of Food and Agriculture estatia de be December se makoto ennuane aba e de aba begua ye meto aban e de kakra akohyem se na be ya ne bo no betimi aba fam e koreche ye hu sa light tintini bi because na edoso e wo mea do abekwa akodi sa adwa no ye betimi apekwan bi so because the kind of liberal trade na ye ne sese no e na kofa sa e ka bebrebe yi e de be yo
enti te said the Ministry of Trade so yeah no one
Food and Agriculture
agriculture so yeah one fa ba ankogina wo mo abuburushi so mo nti o mo so ono no ye no alongside
yes
anything about so betimi akra niama no so aba we bie the shop government controlled supermarket na alongside in competition with the yenia yensu to ade no na I the choice of the people. Anything government here be to supplement the effort of the general trading public. Okay. It's not an issue, but you know, say now say liberalize, now prices settled by itself. Far better because then also corruption same be any. So you can say a bank crown kotombra, obi a wokoto abano. Sanya mana more expert say ebeye phone obi de o hantem we biasa beto so akoyi. Na se niam na wo ye se aban akra na se de ba no ho na beka wo bete ne bo etie ye de mu yakokra wo se India fo ne Turkey fo abibe bo mom so akra wo ho ayam hihie nko manton fo ebe se customer no so wo choice.
Okay.
Enti no ye more ene yetimi aye nso amaniam so abu baby a wo ko baby aniam atu atese wo mpe we na pede.
Ghana, one of your trading partners here China 8th December 2023 omu trade atum after COVID-19 best strike omu in 2019 e kwan be na good efa so akọ China ne san ko fa yare magana
yo enti so wo be kai a on say yani a onye obi na e ka kire ye say ye tumika mebusa Ministry of Health.
Okay.
Say a China for bie wo mapono yare e free China na ba yo.
Yeah.
The free China ba ye no wo moto wo mapono. Say omo bo omo ho ban ene betu atise mo wiase afa na nyina emrantintin na chana or the restrictions ato the craze so and so on say na enam abefo akwan so se bia internet ne email say ye ne social media ye no yetimi ene wo mudidwa ne ya shepu ye ne ma na shipping lines ne de aba akwansidie bia anim ne mo medu tem ni so a na se wo kona kohu abefo enema bia abebe ba foforo no hu ne physically na hu suppliers ni wo engage no county ya na akwese akono no wo ho se ye betumi atukwan ne yatimi akoye first no ne ye kofe wo kofe ada hu niema new ones abebe bani na ntini na no ya ade a ehye nipa enkran se oh ene mi ntukwan enko men so ene ye wonkofo bebre so a wo mutukwan na wo mo shop in the market they said ye market o makola ne bi wo ho enti wo mo ebe shop around you know physically no mabua mu ne ma no mato nti sankofo de wo ho achiro mu kakra se wo mu nya kwan ntukwan nti safo ni na apese wo mko na akwanya no abeto se on the 8 wo mu yi restrictions na free ho samre ya wo mu yi free wo yi restrictions no unfortunately afa na yare no atu atese kase pa so o man China num enti na say ye sinkonwa na yebusi ho say edi kwabe na yebefa so yenko cause see Ghana I say as a you know yare na akofom pa see akra wotu we say no man miss me say eti ye de adwadie esa akọ na esa akọsoa yare no de sopuo asan de bewura mu ana enti ene ye track krata edi bre health services for no so mom tuefo mo evaluate situation at China na mo tuefo say akwanya no beda ho a ye kwa na say yenkro ya no nti na ye de sa kata no ebeto se be ya enko kase bia ye mfaso bia ye pa na ye dwadi a ye yenti yakọ akofa amanihunu asambre ye man ama ye ni ayen so anything ye de by so ministry of you know health service for no them some the responsible say wafia wo mo say wo mo gusu evaluation no na they will give the necessary advice nti say na ye ne kwan so anu say ye be ba akwanya no ba mu dia will be on by the COVID or no COVID obeko. But also, a bin so not me so me ha medika. Okay. A bia na situation you know enter said ye can we not say virus type on that wo no kra no. Na kwa say omicron as said. Also no dey na and said that ye ano nya di be bia nti na ye say wo mo no emfanto nsani ani. Okay. Na wo mo na ye health expert no. It wa mo hwa wo mo mayen afutuo no ansa na 8 na ba ba ye jedifu e setie bia no e dia 8 na manfo beko oh wotu awu ko awu no be dey Dr. Manfo a efram no na di osika ewura Ghana adwadie mu ye bresu a wo so osika no mu dodo nyina free Ghana ekono ekwam de betimi afoso deal with it yeah investment law no there so no we your investment law now what say do tell be near per foreign direct investors abebo man sure se sia no ye nya bebre di aba ye ba ye ne de ye huni say ye ma wo mu incentives na no ma abuse no na fe wo mu so asan take advantage of our resources no ma asan repatriating in our country we've come this far ama wahu ntokrontokro a that's our foreign direct investment in and until you revise your investment laws. Okay. Because on say I didn't a win-win situation. Sure. Who be wa pono na what support foreigner no say brabediga ne emfasodi a wo benya no wa fa bi wa boa o man no. Yeah. Na we dey ye mo 100% full repatriation. But the see no amanihu a ye ma ye won say more repatriate foreign exchange because let me tell you, foreign direct investors and also occupy the juiciest part of our economy. This is how they share communication industries. Yeah. And yet, sure. Communications in na honoso na zikapudu ni na eko. Share oil, share gold. Would name it. Banksy. They say local banks, banks, yeah, local banks, and Aquacabe, for as I say. Nina no a foreign business. Now banks na one also no woman nyam faso na kese na at the end of the year no woman repatriating na apo. Enti na dia me no me can say okay waba nyam faso die kakra. Yes you were challenge.
Yeah.
You were limited resources in terms of the forest.
Yeah.
Enti ya revise your investment law no. Me anka say okay woba na be nyam faso na we see cannot the obenya ne Ghana ha no scabi your but there was a sa in forest no you be more 70%.
Okay.
Now we see
30%.
What up 30% no e ya wa we see ka
yeah that's it.
Fa sa tra wa kwabam.
Okay.
Na fa boa wo man no.
So there be a struggle with foreign exchange.
When no you take it or leave it.
Okay.
Some ya be boa man.
Dr. Joseph Obey president de Ghana agentfo Kabom Kodamtis and Open the happy birthday call from my board chairman of Cocoa Marketing Company, Dr. Joseph Kobina Isibu. And your birthday, happy birthday. Enko Fma from Kolebu Mayor and Odiwe by once again Efishapa Enko Fama Adeshia ya Modom Ekukesiem ya friend no Kwawu Nkwatiaman. Kwawu Nkwatiaman Kuyam wo enkrawe free AC or hine won medin de akwasi insinyame admo channel professor de ahia o dwumedi so background